This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Serena Fagan Johnson. Contemporary, coastal and elegant is the best way to describe this maintenance-free, sparkling clean, water view villa located in the desirable gated community of Renaissance known as Verona. And it is only 100 from the private Verona Pool Resort. A very popular open floor plan model, the Mahogany, is a 2-bed/2-bath home with a DN office. It is 4.5 years young and is then new. This home has all of the touches of a professional decorator. The expansive kitchen includes such high-end features as granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, including a double oven, 42 honey tone, all wood cabinets. Large, beautiful, low-E energy efficient windows, with plantation shutters, allow the Floridian sunshine to naturally filter throughout the home. Contemporary paint tones accent the walls and tray ceilings, which make the crown molding pop. The light fixtures are modern. The large owner's suite is relaxing and calm with coastal tones being carried on through the master bathroom. There is a large, walk-in, California-style closet for ultimate storage and organization. The ensuite bath boasts of granite counters, dual sinks, private water closet and lovely walk-in shower. All of the bedrooms are spacious with oversized windows for maximum enjoyment of the views. The dining room, while separate, is still open to the main floor plan for easy entertaining. The den/office is comfortable and the only room with carpeting specific for reduced noise. The LANAI provides the perfect space for grilling, reading or entertaining, while overlooking the water and the wildlife. The garage has a lovely epoxy flooring and the custom paver-stone driveway and walkway, adds such a rich feel to the entrance. One of the best features about this home is that all exterior maintenance is taken care of by the HOA Association. Nothing for you to do but enjoy all that this active community offers. The unique gated community of Verona offers its own private, resort-style amenities and all the pleasures of a Hall of Fame maintenance-free retirement community. Come and enjoy the world-class country club, fine dining, 5 resort-style pools, 2 state-of-the-art fitness centers, spa, saunas, hundreds of social and sports clubs and more. Start living the dream. Sun City Center has 3 beautiful clubhouses, dance, theater, an arts and crafts building, state-of-the-art medical facilities, shopping, endless entertainment and resources, all accessible by golf cart. Verona in Sun City Center is a great place to live. Come and see why this is the place to retire, according to the New York Times, and have fun, especially with this home. Note, most of the furniture is available for sale under separate bill of sale. Roof 2019, AC, on continuous service contract, 2019, water heater 2023, water